Carnival Horizon dining is coming up next. If you are wondering about the complimentary and specialty dining venues on Horizon, then keep watching till the end. First, we will be talking about the 10 complimentary venues that you must try. Main dining room. Looking for the main dining rooms? Then check out Meridian and Reflections restaurant. While Reflections is open for dinner, Meridian will serve you breakfast, brunch on sea days and dinner. Meridian also offers your time dining where you can eat anytime in evening. Ocean Plaza Buffet. Looking for a secret place to eat? Then check out the Ocean Plaza Buffet. Even though it's small, but it offers some great choices for breakfast and lunch on sea days. Lido Marketplace. Want to eat near the pools? Then check out the Lido Marketplace. Are you a frequent cruiser? Then click on subscribe. On Deck 10 Midship, you'll find this buffet where breakfast, lunch and dinner will be served. The Carnival Deli. Craving some sandwiches and wraps? Then head to the Carnival Deli. It serves from morning to the late night and is located at the back of the Lido Marketplace. Pizzeria Del Capitano. Are you a pizza person? Then on Deck 10 Aft, you will find great pizza options that is open 24 hours a day. Blue Iguana Cantina. Seeking out some Mexican food? Then head to the Blue Iguana Cantina. Here you will enjoy burritos with scrambled egg and will get served breakfast and lunch. The Pasta Bar. Craving some pasta? Then check out Cucina del Capitano on Deck 12 Aft. Here you will find a pasta bar that include linguine, farfalle and other gluten-free option. So these were complimentary venues. However, there are certain free options like sandwiches, grilled cheese that you can get to your room. If you want to see more cruise and travel info videos, then consider subscribing. Talking about specialty dining, we have Bonsai Sushi. Wanna enjoy some sushi? Then head to the Deck 5 Midship. Here you have the option of dinner every night and lunch is served on sea days, while the menu could be found in the description. Bonsai Teppanyaki. Wondering about an entertaining food venue? If yes, then check out the Bonsai Teppanyaki. Here you will be enjoying Japanese lunch or dinner with 8 other people. Food will get prepared in front of you with a ton of fun. For this, you have to pay $32, but make sure to reserve in advance. Looking for a steakhouse? Then head to Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Open for dinner only. Here you will be enjoying steak, seafood and some appetizers, and the price is around $38. For some salmon or dry rubbed chicken, head to the Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue Smokehouse Brewhouse. Here you will be enjoying meats while the buffet is located outside the Deck 5. It is open for dinner and menu is provided in the description. For some delicious seafood, check out the Seafood Shack on Deck 10 Aft. For a la carte pricing, you will be enjoying lobsters, shrimps in lunch and dinner. Prices starts at $6. For some delicious Italian food, check out Cucina del Capitano on Deck 11 Aft. Only open for dinner. Here you will be enjoying appetizers and other Italian dishes. For some Asian taste, head to the GG Asian Kitchen, where you will be enjoying dishes from Philippines, Mongolia, China, Singapore and Indonesia. For $15, a delicious dinner will be served. So these were the dining venues on board Carnival Horizon. Thank you for watching and goodbye.